Welcome back to the channel. If you're a founder, a marketer, or just trying to get through your work day, you know exactly how painful this looks. We waste hours every single week manually dealing with the insert, a lots of data, and we are still not able to find the best result. So as I'm able to do the product review today. So, but before that, I'm just doing some comparison with Gemini. I have give it a prompt to provide me BMW historical data with the pricing set, and looks like we just find out something. Let me click on approve. So he's doing this way. Just give it a moment. I hope it will provide us satisfaction results, I believe. Here we go. He just, I'm always mix he, it, her, because AI is not a gender. Okay, AI don't have a gender, so we can clearly say it. It's a thing. So now it initialize tracker, establishing data structures, insert table header, and now I believe it's doing something. Oh, okay. So now it pull all the data models of all cars, chassis code, body styles, and original dollar. I was not aware if there is a 1500 sedan, 1928 BMW 3 to 15 taxi. Okay, yeah, little bit formatting. Yeah, that's good. Uh, Everyone loves formatting. So, but it's still thinking. Yeah. So might be it's doing something. Okay, here we go. Sometimes I just get surprised how this thing work like so purely, like you just add the prompt and it do the things for you. Because in 90s we don't have this kind of stuff, and I believe every day you have to put your hands on these Excel sheets and do the boring stuff. So now you have a Gemini, the beta edition. It can do the things for you, but this review is not for Gemini. This is for something else. So without any wait, let me pull up the screen so we can directly go up there and try out what that things are able to do. So here we are, full control over your browser. Lyto AI, I believe. The website look like a golden dust, I believe. So this is how their Chrome extensions look like. And this is a use case. You can send message from your phone, get finished very back, stop re-explaining yourself, your personal tutor, report spreadsheet, research anything, and start everything monitoring organized. I'm not sure how the things will work, so what I can do, I can run this video, or we can put our hands on it. Okay, so there's a lots of people that uh, they find this product really helpful for them. So this is how I can explain. So what can Lyto actually do? A lot. Lyto can open and close tabs, scroll, click, fill forms, highlight text, interact with every element on the web page. It run deep research with cited source build, minds map, generate full websites from prompt. This is all boring stuff. Does Lyto work with Telegram? Yes. Okay, so to be able to work with it can send message, run automation inside virtual machine environment, and voice image is shared with it. Okay, how I can cancel subscriptions? I will definitely get this subscription of this product. So here for daily use, for growing team, $15 is not too much. Like this is I'm thinking. So if I'm able to control these things from my phone, and this is better than Opal Claw. Oh man, I love this one. I always love this kind of designs, making the browser work for you. Later in AI that live inside your browser, I always get stopped because my mind stopped thinking. So here's their co-founder, this is the CEO, who done the incredible work. I'm not sure where they define this inspiration. So this is a company, I believe, making the browser work for you. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm just on scrolling on the same page again and again. And this is the demo. And add to Chrome for free. Let me select here. And AI Research Assistant. Here we go. Spin. I will not put my card on it. So basically, I am just about to test it out. So what I can see, I can just look here in the Google Sheets, and here I have a sheet. So before I jump into this one, we are using the Gemini, right? So here is a Gemini element. So now we don't need Gemini. So what we can do, we can just go here, and okay, we need to do the signing. So let me do that part. Okay, so I have done that part. I have just added my login access over there. So now you can see meet Lyto, the Chrome extension, the personal agent, see me how it works. So if I click here, so this is a voice agent. This is highlight anything on page and attach file. Your prompt goes here, and this is chat. This is research files, task, history, and settings, and set like summarize the page in 3 bullet points. No, I will not do this boring stuff. So what I can do, I am on this spreadsheet, right? So I will select this mic. Allow microphone. Okay. Okay, so I have to done more things. Just give me a moment. I need to provide the access. Okay, I have verified, but I'm not sure how the things work in Mac. So what we can do, we can just go here and select element on page. Okay, I just select this one, and it's been attached. So I can say I need a complete data set of BMW cars by their model and year and price, and another table is for Audi with ups with same requirements. Okay, so let me hit enter. So let's see how the things work in action. So here it's thinking. So it just said like, okay, go to setting, integration, and click connect Google. So, but that doesn't make sense, because why I'm saying that, I'm here, right? So I am here. I have just clicked on this spreadsheet, and I have just said here, I have attached a spreadsheet. So it's supposed to work this way. Okay, let me do this part. So might be they have requirement from their side. So actually, it's saying something that I'm not supposed to give it, because this bot showing some custom email and asking about my email access, so that I'm not supposed to do that. So we can just explore here as a developer. I can click on continue, and how do you find it? I find on Instagram. What will you mainly use for Lyto for? I just opened today. I will do for managing tabs, I believe. Work productivity. Okay, we can just select only one work productivity. So this is how the session is worked up there. Can you open Can you help me to find best stock price of today? Is there a way it can go and use Google for me? I'm sure it do, because it using the same behavior that Claude do whenever you're trying to access Claude. So what it will do, it will just use your browser and do the stuff for you. Find free PDF books for me on data science. Let it try. So as you can see, we use one API request here, and every time it just refresh this page. Instead of what it should do, it should I'm just assuming it should go on the Chrome or open the Google like a human and just type over there. So it said, I am searching for some high quality free data science PDF. I will check reputation source, look it up for some open source. Perfect. Okay, so what next? I'm glad you found the books helpful. If you are looking at something, no, I didn't find any books. I didn't find any books. I thought you still looking at it. Sorry, English is too bad, but we just want to see it don't throw something hallucinations for us. Like sometimes AI generate the bad results, but this one is something else. Okay, so here we are. It just pull up few things here like Python data science from scratch and introduction fundamental data visualization. So if I click there, okay, so it find some GitHub libraries. So this is pretty much research papers from PhD. This is convex optimization, data mining and analysis. So if I clicked on here, I just want to review the things that's still there. I will keep this with me. This is for my own benefit. Like anyway, if I just try to open a notes, okay. So unable to enter this book. I think PDF is not being rendered inside, but here it's being rendered. GitHub is weird sometimes. So here is the more pages. So here we go. This book is about to cover optimization, special class for mathematical optimization problem, and which include last years and linear programming. Okay, for many general purpose optimization method typical. Okay, so this is pretty good. You can see you have a books. I'm not able to understand this formulas, this equations, I believe, and optimization problem abstraction. I'm not much genius, so using least square is problem is the base for regression analysis, optimal control, and many parameter estimation for data fit. So this is all about I believe data optimizations, but this one is not data optimization. We are reviewing the Lyto. So this is a pretty much from their side. You can just do the research here. You can just attach the file. So I believe it's work with your own data, and always keep in mind that policy. So this is background task. You can just set it to every day to optimize the browser and just close every tab that been not open for a few days. So you can also do that way. This is the settings. I'm not click on settings. There is an email address for me, and this is the history that we did. So I hope you will enjoy this video. You find some glitches in my voice. You find some misspellings. You find out tons of things. But glad we find another product that can be a more productive. So you should only focus on that. Just ignore every other thing. All things are shit. Bye for today.